Hello and welcome back to Friday Minis. Today, let's talk about a very interesting concept, and that is metaprogramming. What does that mean? Metaprogramming refers to the ability to treat a program as data. What this means is, well, essentially your code is just a string, and a program is actually able to read, modify, or extend a particular piece of code that can then be run as a full-blown program. So yeah, this is actually a really cool idea because what this means is you can specially generate a program designed specially for your needs. Now, there are many ways to do this, but what I would say is the simplest way is to have a program generate the other program in plain text and then send it over to be run. One example of this is in web programming. Now, let's say your server side runs PHP, and basically what it does is it needs to construct a web page to send to your browser, which your browser can then display. And if there are any scripts on that page, your browser will run them. Now, all of this stuff your browser is looking at is actually just plain text. So what a PHP server needs to do is just to put together that plain text that includes scripts as well as HTML, which defines all the contents of your web page. Now, what this means is that it is up to your PHP server to generate, say, the scripts. It can look at the data associated with your user account and then actually change up the script or add things to the script so that your experience is customized by your data. And that is essentially one application of metaprogramming. It is not the only way to do things. For example, you can metaprogram in the same language, or some languages actually give you features to change up your actual program while it's running. So yeah, that generating text method is just one way, but I'll consider it the simplest and also extremely interesting. That's all there is for this episode of Friday Minis. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, you're watching 0612 TV. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, consider checking out the rest of my work on my channel. Alternatively, you may be interested in a playlist of all the other episodes of Friday Minis. If you'd like to show me some monetary support, I am on Patreon. You can find a link to my campaign in the video description. Of course, you can simply like this video or leave a comment. I'll be sure to respond as soon as I can. To keep in touch with my future uploads, do subscribe to this channel. And for even more updates, check out the official Twitter account for this channel at 0612TV. Thank you for your support.